how to delete Viber account permanently. So if you want to delete your Viber account permanently, then first of all you need to open up your Viber application. And after opening your Viber, now you can simply go to the bottom right, which has that more icon. And now you can go for settings, and under settings here you can go for the first option, which is account. And under account, here on the last option you will have deactivate account. Go for that. And from here you need to enter your phone number to deactivate your account. So simply enter your phone number, and after entering your phone number you can simply tap on deactivate account. And once you've deactivated your account will be deactivated. And if you don't log in back within a week or within a month, your account will be permanently deleted. So that's how you can delete your Viber account permanently. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.